We live in a world obsessed with chasing. Everyone wants more. More money, more success, more attention. But have you ever stopped and asked yourself, where are you even running? The modern world has turned ambition into anxiety. People no longer work for growth. They work to keep up. They're not chasing dreams anymore. They're chasing each other. And in this race, no one really wins. We've been told, hustle harder, work nonstop, grind until you make it. But here's the truth that no one wants to admit. Most people who chase money like this end up exhausted. Not Rich Science backs it up. A 2022 Harvard study found that constant stress and overwork actually lower decision-making quality by up to 35%. You start working harder, but thinking worse. You lose clarity, and clarity is what makes money grow. The rich don't hustle endlessly. They build systems. They don't chase money. They attract it. Money doesn't create your identity. It reveals it. It's a mirror of your mindset. If you chase money out of fear, you'll always stay scared. If you pursue it with purpose, it will come quietly. Think about it. The more desperate you are to make money, the more you attract the wrong people, the wrong jobs, the wrong deals. Money has energy. It flows toward those who move with focus, not fear. Psychologists call it the dopamine trap. Every time you see a post that says, "How I made $10, 0 in 1 week," your brain gets a hit of dopamine, the same chemical that drives addiction. So you start chasing the high, not the goal. You keep jumping from one quick money idea to another. Drop shipping today, crypto tomorrow, YouTube next week, and yet you never build anything real, because the real secret of wealth is consistency, not intensity. Here's a fact: you're not living in a money economy anymore. You're living in an attention economy. Whoever controls attention controls income. That's why companies pay billions for ads. That's why influencers get rich, not because they work harder, but because they own attention real estate. So stop chasing money and start learning where attention flows. Because money follows attention. Always has. Always will. Most people work in systems. The wealthy build systems. Think about it. Employees trade time for money. Entrepreneurs trade systems for money. When you build something that works without you, a YouTube channel, an online business, a product, or even digital content, you stop chasing money because your system starts working for you. This is how financial freedom actually begins, not with a paycheck, but with a process. Every dollar in your life is a reflection of one simple principle: value exchange. You make money when you give someone else something they value more than the money they paid. It's not luck. It's not connections. It's value, plain and simple. If you want to stop chasing money, start chasing mastery. Because when you become so good, they can't ignore you. Money starts chasing you. Money doesn't grow linearly. It compounds. The rich understand this deeply. They don't look for fast returns, they look for repeatable growth. They know that 1% improvement daily leads to 37x results in a year. You see, money loves patience. It avoids noise. It respects discipline, and it rewards those who think long-term. If you plant a seed and dig it up every week to check progress, it never grows. Same with your dreams. Most people stay broke, not because they're lazy, but because they're distracted. They're busy chasing trends instead of principles. They're working harder but not smarter. And the system is designed this way, to keep you consuming, not creating. Every app, every ad, every influencer benefits from your attention, but your bank account doesn't. You have to unplug from the noise to find your own voice. Freedom isn't about buying everything you want. It's about not needing to. Money can buy comfort, but freedom comes from control. Control over your time, your emotions, and your focus. Chasing money gives power to others. Building value gives power to yourself, patience. is the most underrated wealth skill in the world. Everyone wants compound interest, but no one wants to wait. Everyone wants viral success, but no one wants to build silently. Yet every real millionaire will tell you the same truth. Money grows slow. Then suddenly, the first few years feel like nothing's working. Then one day, everything you planted starts to bloom, all at once. That's not magic, that's math. You don't attract money by changing what you do. You attract it by changing who you are. The person who chases money operates from scarcity. The person who builds value operates from abundance. When you stop thinking like a consumer and start thinking like a creator, the entire game changes. You stop saying, "I need money." You start asking, "What problem can I solve that others will pay for?" That's where wealth begins. In mindset, not in the market. There's a currency more powerful than money: trust. You can't buy it, fake it, or speed it up. It's built through consistency, honesty, and value. And once people trust you, your words, your brand, your work, money flows naturally. That's why people with integrity sleep peacefully, and people with greed stay restless even in luxury at some point. You realize you were never chasing money. You were chasing peace. You just thought money would bring it. But peace isn't found in your bank account. It's found in alignment. When your work values and energy move in one direction, that's when money stops being a chase and starts being a byproduct. You don't have to chase money. You have to become the kind of person money trusts to stay with. Work quietly. Build consistently. Think long-term. Because real success doesn't scream, it whispers. It's not about who shines the brightest today. It's about who still stands tall 10 years from now. Don't chase money, chase mastery, chase peace, and let success speak in silence.